Hi, let's prepare very tempting and crunchy chicken cheese bread roll. So let's begin with the recipe without wasting any further time. Welcome to my channel Learn with Sumaiya. Hope you all are doing good today. If you are watching my channel for the first time, so please like and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get my new video updates. So first prep the chicken mixture by using the boiled and shredded chicken along with the green capsicum and spring onion, corns, mayo and some spices. Just stir fry them with the butter in the pan. Now take some bread slices and trim their edges. By using rolling pin, roll and flatten each bread slices. Make sure it is flattened from each side. Now make slurry with the all-purpose flour and water to seal the edges. And you can also use water if you don't want to use the all-purpose flour, but I find it that the all-purpose flour sticks it very well and seal the edges very nicely. So I have used some cheese slices, and you can also use the shredded cheese and put the chicken filling. I prefer to put like 2 tablespoons so it is like quite fulfilling. Now gently seal the edges of the bread by pressing the corners. Make sure they are all sealed tightly and properly. So here is the tip. If you see that your bread is breaking from any of the side or any pieces coming out, so you can apply the slurry so it sticks well and it will seal the edge and it will seal the bread side. So I have prepared almost 15 bread roll with this recipe, and I also made it with the whole wheat bread. Now I will be coating each bread roll. I have taken 2 eggs and breadcrumbs. You can add salt and parsley or any herbs in the coating. First dip the bread roll in the beaten egg, and then secondly in the breadcrumbs. This step makes your life so easier, so whenever you need them, you just take them out and fry. So store them in the Ziploc or airtight container, and whenever you would like to fry them, just take them out and fry. This is my version of chicken cheese bread rolls, and you cannot stop yourself. So do try this recipe and give your feedback. I'll see you next time with another tasty video. Take care. Bye bye.